Today I'm reviewing the iUNIK Black Snail Restore Cream. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsors or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsb.com. Try Patreon me or click on the link below. Okay, finally get a chance to review this. I think I reviewed most of the moisturizers from iUNIK except this one. And they just came out with a new fabulous sunscreen, which I'll review soon as well. Okay, so they call this an anti-aging skin repairing cream formulated with 58% black snail extract to improve skin elasticity of rough, fatigued skin, as well as Centella Asiatica leaf water and Centella Asiatica leaf extract for a soothing effect. In addition, patented natural ingredients containing fermented soybean and mistletoe extract create a revitalized and healthy complexion, which everyone wants, right? So there we go. Very exciting. Have any of you guys tried their sunscreen yet? It's really nice. Okay, so first criteria, packaging, no issues with the packaging. Squeeze tube doesn't get any easier than that, does it? No, it doesn't. It's so easy. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, does not contain any of those. Okay, when we get to fragrance, it has no scent, really. I don't notice any scent when I use this. It does contain myrrh extract, which is it's a balsamic scent to it. It's an antiseptic, astringent disinfectant ingredient. It also has antibacterial properties, but it can have a fragrant side to it, so it can be potentially irritating, especially to very sensitive skin. It's the very last ingredient in here. I doubt most people have an issue with it, but if your skin is very sensitive, or if you're sensitive to myrrh, stay away from it. I don't know why they put it in here. I mean, it can be a good ingredient for like acne-prone skin because of its antibacterial benefits, but overall, when it's the last ingredient, it doesn't really help it smell any better. Why put it in there? Why not just leave it out? They just can't help themselves. They just cannot. So, anyway. Won't discuss that any further, but they just can't help themselves. Okay, the manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. So, ease of use. So, it's got a really, kind of a thicker texture to it. Slight, like, goopy feeling, but not super, like, you know, like the CosRX Snail Mucin has kind of a goopiness to it. This one is a lot less goopy. Smooths over skin pretty easily. I'd say it's slightly thick, but not terribly so. So after in your morning or evening routine, after toners or serums, you can apply a layer of this to your skin. I personally prefer this one in my evening routine because it does set to kind of a shiny, radiant finish. So I've just found it works better at nighttime, kind of sometimes as the last step in my evening routine, or sometimes I'll apply a little bit of a thicker layer of it and use it as a sleep mask. But overall, it works really nicely for that. Perhaps in the winter, I'll give this a try during the daytime, but I think it might just make sunscreen underneath it make a little too shiny. But in the winter, maybe that won't be as bad because my skin will be drier. So layers pretty well, as you know, too. So there we go. So overall, very easy to use. No issues at all with that. Okay, so beneficial ingredients in this one. So we've got the Snail, Filtrate, antioxidant, hydrating ingredient. It's a good mixture of hyaluronic acid, copper peptides, copper, zinc, iron. It's a great hydrating ingredient for skin, really beneficial, especially for dry skin, sensitive skin, or irritated skin. I think it works great for that. So whenever my skin is irritated, I always go to my Snail products. Okay, next up we've got Centella Asiatica leaf water, which is hydrating and soothing. We've got Shea butter in there, which is an antioxidant hydrating ingredient. We've got jojoba seed oil, which is a good emollient. Camellia oil, which is an emollient skin conditioning ingredient. We've got beeswax, which is an emollient and kind of a thicker ingredient, which is really nice for hydrating skin and sealing everything in. We've got arginine, which is a skin-identical ingredient. We've got that mistletoe Saccharomyces ferment, which is skin conditioning ingredient. We've got adenosine, a nice cell-communicating ingredient. We've got the Centella Asiatica extract, antioxidant, skin-soothing, hydrating ingredient. We've got lactobacillus soybean ferment, skin conditioning ingredient. Licorice root extract, antioxidant, skin brightening ingredient. Then we've got Saccharomyces Imperata cylindrica root extract, which is an emollient. Then we've got a mugwort in here, which is an anti-inflammatory. I think there's like 500 different types of mugwort. So some people may be sensitive to some of those, depending on what you're allergic to, but mugwort can have some anti-inflammatory properties. We've got blueberry fruit extract, which is a good antioxidant. Ginkgo biloba, antioxidant, anti-aging ingredient. Rosehip oil, emollient, rich source of fatty acids, also thought to help with brightening skin. We've got an ingredient called rubose, which is an anti-inflammatory and skin-soothing ingredient, sodium hyaluronate, humectant, and then finally we've got perilla, fructans, leaf extract, which is an anti-inflammatory. So, a nice list of antioxidants, skin-soothing, hydrating emollients. I just wish they would have left the myrrh out, because then all those ingredients could work even better. Instead, you've got that irritant potentially in there with all these wonderful antioxidants. So, yeah, anyway. Overall, though, the formula is very nice. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free but not vegan because of the beeswax in there. So in terms of performance, so now you can see it's soaked in. It really does a nice job leaving skin feeling soft and smooth. In my opinion, this is probably geared towards normal or dry skin that is not acne prone. It's a really nice Snail product option for those that either haven't had good luck with the Cosrx or found the Cosrx was too sticky or too slimy. This one is much less sticky and slimy than the Cosrx. So, yeah, so the texture of it just a little bit more friendly to use. It does contain a few ingredients that are not super friendly for acne-prone skin. And you know what? Just keep in mind, these all vary depending on your skin type. So just because some of these ingredients can be acneogenic, it doesn't mean you're going to break out from them. I hear a lot of comments, oh, I've used a lot of stuff with jojoba seed oil and I didn't have any issues. I don't think it's acneogenic. But that doesn't necessarily mean just because you have that experience doesn't mean other people will. So in general, these are ingredients that are generally worth checking out if you have acne-prone skin. It doesn't necessarily mean you're going to have an issue with them. But it just means that these are higher potential. So, and that's all, when it comes to skincare, it's all individual. Some people may be able to get by with washing their face with water morning and night, not doing anything, and look fabulous their entire life. You just don't know. Okay, so in terms of acne-prone skin, we've got Cetearyl alcohol, jojoba seed oil, Glyceryl, Stearate, Sorbitan, Sequostearate, Cetearyl, and then beeswax. I don't know. Don't make me repeat that last ingredient name because I'm going to say it differently every time. Sorbitan, Sequostearate. Well, whatever. Okay, in terms of the price, so it's the full size, 2.11 ounces, 60 milliliters, and retails for about $15, so it's a pretty good deal. Right now it's on sale at YesStyle, I think, for like $11, so it's a bargain. In terms of the it factor, I really like this one. It's a very nice product. I wish they left out the myrrh, but what am I going to do about it? Nothing. There's nothing I can do about it. But this product could be so friendly for almost every skin type, except for they add that in. So then it's like it's friendly for dry, normal, oily, non-acne prone, non-sensitive. I don't know why they exclude an entire group, but anyway. But there we go. So very nice product overall. Really leaves skin looking soft and smooth and hydrated without feeling greasy or anything like that. So with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one an 8. Certainly worth checking out for most people. Interesting from you guys if you had a chance to check this one out yet or not, or if you're trying anything else out from iUNIK. What have you tried out from them and how'd you like it? Leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. Stay tuned for more tomorrow. I'll give the video a thumbs up. I'm so bad at promoting myself. Give the video a thumbs up. Okay. Oh, subscribe. Right? And then hit the bell. There we go. Okay, thanks so much. Bye, guys.